Welcome to Respawn Tech. Today, we're exploring the top 5 future tech gadgets of 2025 that are straight out of a sci-fi dream. From game-changing innovations to life-enhancing tools, these gadgets are redefining the future. Let's dive in. Get ready to witness groundbreaking tech like holographic desks, AI-powered drones, and much more. And trust me, you don't want to miss gadget number 1. It's truly next level. Starting at number 5, we have the NovaLens AR Contact. Imagine checking your messages, navigation, or even gaming stats directly through your vision. These smart contact lenses feature cutting-edge micro-LED displays and augmented reality functionality. Perfect for multitaskers and tech enthusiasts alike, the NovaLens starts at $500 and is expected to roll out later this year. Next up is the HoloDesk Pro 2.0. Say goodbye to traditional screens. This holographic workstation lets you interact with apps, games, and even virtual blueprints in stunning 3D. Ideal for both productivity and entertainment, this $1,200 gadget is a must-have for creatives and gamers looking for a futuristic upgrade. At number 3, the Lingowear AI Translator. This sleek wearable gadget translates over 50 languages in real time, making it perfect for international travelers or global teams. Just speak into the device, and it provides instant translations with near-perfect accuracy. Available for $299, it's like carrying a personal interpreter wherever you go. Coming in at number 2 is the Infinity Core Cube, the ultimate gaming console for 2025. With 8K resolution, holographic display technology, and modular upgrades, this console is perfect for gamers who want the best of the best. Plus, its AI optimization ensures your games run seamlessly. Starting at $2,000, it's a premium gadget every gamer will drool over. And finally, at number 1, the Sentinel Drone Companion. This AI-powered drone follows you around, helps with tasks like deliveries, captures stunning videos, and even boosts your home security. With advanced obstacle detection and voice command support, it's a versatile gadget priced at $1,500. The future is here, and it's flying beside you. Which of these futuristic gadgets would you want in your life? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge tech content only on Respawn Tech.